What's up, everybody? Kawaii Arcade Masters are here.
Hi guys.
We're here to see Inside Out 2. We're at a movie theater. Look at this arcade. Ooh, let's go get some cards. Play some games. You want to test it out on Skee-ball? Yeah. I don't know how much each game costs. See, it says 8 points. Is that like $8? How much is a point?
So $100 gets you 600 something points.
Okay. I still don't understand how many points is $1 or yeah. So for $1, how many points is it?
So that would be.
Why is this backwards?
Yeah, I know, you can't even see it. You have to look over.
All right. Have fun, guys. Michaela's comfortable. She's ready to watch a movie. She's being yes. Sophia's anger. Sophia's anger. Michaela's sadness. I forgot what the is it emu? Emu?
$1, 6 points.
$1, 6 points?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, not bad. I'm the pink one.
Embarrassment.
I'm embarrassment. Yeah, because I'm wearing pink. Ooh, Sophie won? Oh, but there's no, it says 0 balls left, so.
Yeah, I know.
So Sophie got 30 tickets and you got 17. Down the clown. Bonus is 500 tickets. Try to go for the red one. The red ones. Light up. Yeah, hit the ones that are red. You get more points, I believe. You know what? Never mind. Just knock them down. Knock them down. Oh no. And time's up, honey. How many did you get? Your score is 120. All right, next. All right, you gotta watch your time. Good luck, sweetie, go. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. Doing good, doing good, come on. Come on, honey. 10 seconds. 5 seconds left.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Ooh, 150. It says right there, red lit clowns are worth double the points. He's throwing them like darts. Oh,
13 seconds.
higher, the higher ones are worth points. Yeah, 30.
6, 5, 9, 4.
Come on, honey, just 3 more. Come on, 2 more. Come on, you can do it. No! You ran out of time.
You got about 200.
Nice.
Is it?
Coconut Bash. You can win 1,000 tickets? What do you got to do? It says knock down coconuts to score points. The points of each coconut will become higher on each wave. Achieve high score to activate Lucky Wheel and win the bonus. All right. Good luck, everybody. Let's watch. Knock those coconuts down, baby. Knock them down. You got 18 seconds. Aim! Aim! You got 5 seconds. Aim! Aim! No more balls? That's it?
Just stop playing. Why just stop playing? You still have time left.
What was her score? I didn't even see the
I
score.
don't know, but she got 5 tickets out of it.
Oh, 5 tickets. Oh, 5 tickets? Ouch. All right.
You got 30 seconds.
It started. Go. 28, 27, 26. Almost, Sophie. Almost. Nice. Bottom one, bottom ones, bottom ones, bottom ones. The ones that are lit. The ones that are lit.
Left, go, go.
The high ones.
Top right, top right, top right, top right. Come on.
5 seconds, honey. 5 seconds.
Come on, come on.
2. Last one. No! 95. I saw her score was on the top. 95. She got 5 tickets. Oh my gosh, this is hard.
You don't get too many tickets.
How do you get 3,000 or higher? Oh my gosh. Oh, Sophie was so close. If she would have gotten 100, she would have activated the wheel. You had 95. Oh, that one coconut would have been it.
You want to try it again?
Sure. It went. Go, honey. 30 seconds. Let's see if she can do it. Aim, baby, aim. So close, so close. Oh, Daddy's helping. Yes, the bottom ones, honey. You have 55 points, honey. 65 points. You have 9 seconds. 85. You got it. You got the wheel. Keep going, keep going. You got 1 second, 1 second. Ah! No more balls? Oh. Okay, here goes the wheel. Oh, what are you gonna get? What's she gonna get? What's she gonna get? Oh. Did you stop the wheel?
It's not working.
Oh no. You got 50? That's weird. Okay. Oh well. Big bass wheel. What's she gonna get? Oh! Oh, close to 1,000. There was coming your way. Who's next? Let's see what Michaela can do. Right? She jumped. Boom! Here it comes.
Oh, there it is.
Coming around again. 25. That's not bad. Better than 10. Oh, it's like Dave and Buster's. Does this game have payout? I don't think so. Ooh. Oh, it has enough juice to come back around. Oh, there goes. Ooh, is it 40? 40! Nice. Me?
Nancy's gonna give it a nice hard spin. Well, I guess it was kind of hard. Anyway, it was decent.
That was an easy wheel.
It's an easy wheel. What you gonna get?
Really?
Nice spin. You went
Better than 10.
That's true.
Oh, it's okay, it's okay.
There you go. There you go. Hurry up.
All right, Sophie is yellow, Michaela is red.
Don't tell me to hurry up.
Oh my goodness, girl.
It's a machine, don't listen to the machine. You take your time.
Red player. Shoot. We're gonna be here all day.
I know.
Come on, Michaela.
One more, Michaela, one more in there. Oh, wow. If Sophie doesn't block it,
Yeah, block it.
you have a chance to win. Oh! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Oh my God.
Oh my gosh. Michaela won. Whoa. Good job. Oh, 50 tickets. Nice. It's okay, Sophie. Good try, good try. That game's cool.
Nice job.
1,000 are orange, 2,000 are purple.
So, whooping your butt.
Go for the orange and purple, or green, orange, purple, green. They're the higher values. Ooh, there's a 5,000.
Ooh, 2,000 in the back. Oh, nice. Somebody got it.
Orange,
You guys
purple,
are
green.
close. Dan's catching up to you.
That's so cool.
You want to play again?
Oh, you're out? 36 and 37.
One more time.
I got over the edge here. But I'm not in love with how little marbles are in there.
Yeah, that's the only thing that's kind of like.
It's like, how's it supposed to push? Oh,
got it.
okay. Did you get something?
Yeah, I got the.
You got the wheel. Aw, 9 tickets.
Wait, 12 got 8 marbles.
Well, one swipe of 8 points gives you 10 tries. That's not bad. Ooh, you got it again.
Oh, nice. I don't know where I'm hitting it. I'm just guessing.
You're just dropping the marble.
I'm just dropping it.
A small prize.
Oh,
What's the small prize? MHA?
So it could be the mystery prank.
No, it could be
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It could be the mystery prank.
Roblox.
Is he gonna push anything? Nothing fell.
Nothing fell. Huh. Interesting. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Nightmare. Nightmare Before Christmas.
I was gonna say, I was like,
Where's my prize?
exactly. Oh, I got it again.
Oh, the game? Did you do that or was that the game?
No, that was me.
Oh, nice. Oh my gosh, another small prize. Okay. It's great that you're getting them, but we need them to fall.
Yeah, I know.
So what small prize is going to fall next? It'd be cool for the Roblox. Thank you. Sophie likes Roblox.
Yeah, she does. So I noticed this one kind of falls pretty well.
It falls easier.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Ooh, you got it again. Please, something. Aw, I was hoping the 8 marbles.
I know, that's what I was hoping.
You got 1 try left.
One try left.
Mm-hmm. Oh, wow.
I like this game. Oh,
9 tickets. All right. Well, we might have to come back and do a video on this game. Ooh. I wonder if I could get the 300. Here it comes. Ah! Yep, that happens when I'm not taping. Time to go see our movie. Popcorn, please.
Now that is a large popcorn. Look at this.
No, that's extra large, isn't it?
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
extra,
that's
yeah.
extra large.
Here's your order code, so thanks.
Oh, thank you. Actually, those are Michaela's.
Perfect.
Lovely. Can I get one too?
Yeah, which one do we want?
Just the way you made it.
Just the way, the
Uh-huh.
exact same thing?
Cherry, get cherry, then blue, then Coke.
Cherry, then blue, then Coke.
Actually, cherry, then Coke, then blue.
Cherry, then Coke.
We just finished watching the movie. Someone's been playing a little bit. Ooh, 8 marbles. Will this do it? Will you win a prize? Ah! Oh, almost got the medium prize.
Almost.
I think the grand prize are 2 prizes at once.
It is.
That Sonic is ready to fall. Well, it's Dr. Egg. I think it's, yeah, it's not Sonic, it's Dr. Egg in there. Dr. Egg. Ooh, bonus spin. Come on, marbles. 8 marbles.
Small, small, small.
Darn it!
So close to that. I'll get the next one.
You think so?
Yeah, I'll get it.
Ooh, is it gonna fall now? Gonna fall now? Woo!
Oh, so close.
Ah, seriously?
Yeah, do it one more time.
One more time?
One more. Oh, and you get a prize.
This is a fun game to play. Come on. Oh, I haven't seen a grand prize on there yet.
Oh, that's.
Nope.
I gotta hit it just before.
Get 8 marbles. 8 marbles. We want a prize to fall. Come on. Come on. Get that bonus spin.
Come on.
Bonus spin! So close! Finally. Okay. Good luck, good luck. Good job, sweetie.
That is
Yeah,
such a lot.
I think it's not payout. Yeah.
Such a lot. Come on, give me one more chance. One more chance.
Aww.
I'm not giving up yet. Give me more. Give me more. I'll take the card from you. I'll take the card. Thank you.
Just do rapid fire. Nah, I know you can't do rapid fire. You don't want to do rapid fire on this. You want to get the bonus spin. Well, you could do the other side too, you know.
I know I could.
There we go.
I'm so close to getting this side. All right, so 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, 8 marbles.
Okay, so if I do it early, I always get the 8. At least get the 8 marbles.
Will this be it? No! Come on, bonus spin. Oh. It's ready to fall. It is so ready to fall. Come on. Oh my gosh. It's more than half. No, it's half. It's half off. Half off the edge.
Hey, that was 10 already.
That was 10 already. I know. This game can eat your credit. Oh. Come on. 8. 8. 8. You need the 8. Come on. Oh my gosh, there we go. Come on, push it. Push it. Oh my gosh, come on. There we go. Oh, you do. Well, that's even better. Yay. Double prize.
Double prizes. Okay, now what do this side? Wait, I don't know the other side.
Do the other side. Yeah, do the other side. Now. Ooh, and on your first try. Oh, so close. You got 3 tries left, honey. Good luck. One. Come on. Now. Oh, last one, honey. Good luck. Oh. Well, it was a good try.
It doesn't release marbles on this side. It only
Yeah.
releases on that side.
Well, you got 2 prizes. Yay!